So today I'm going to plant some ice cream bananas. We've been wanting to grow these for a long time. My wife ordered some from an organic nursery and they came. However, the mail took a long time for them to get here and they were super beat up when we got them. Fortunately, Amanda's got the worm farm going super strong, so we just filled a Tupperware with the worm castings. From there, watered them, kept them out of direct sun for a while, then moved them into the sun. Now they're doing super good. So today I'm actually gonna put them in the ground. Okay, so I got all the black plastic cleared out. The reason for the black plastic is to kill all the weeds as best we can. They're always gonna come back here is the reality, but at least we'll kill what we can. So now we got all that. Everything's cleaned up. So now I am going to dig some holes. We're going to place the holes about 5 feet apart is ideal. I'm going to put them kind of down the middle. That way it keeps the cows from eating them and gives them room to spread for the next generation. Okay, back to our ice cream bananas. So this spot that I cleared out, this has been composted. It's got super nice compost. Right now it's kind of muddy because well, it just rained a lot and it was under plastic. So I'm just gonna dig the holes with my broken shovel. Luckily they don't have to be super deep. Okay, now we're just gonna take these little guys. These are our baby ice cream bananas. And we're gonna plant them. We're gonna plant them into these holes. So I'm just gonna gently break this apart. And you see they've kind of already grown together, so I'm just trying to not beat up the roots too bad, but these guys are pretty tough. Now if you look at this soil, this is our worm casting soil and compost. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. It brought these things all the way back to life. Okay, so you don't want to bury them too deep. Fill back in a little. That guy in there. Some of this stuff is clay, some of it's nice soil. It'll mix together. For bananas, it's not too big of a deal. There you have a banana. Alright, that's pretty much it. I'll probably mulch it in a couple days, but I do want it to dry out a little bit first. And bananas are pretty good at absorbing. But I will probably throw a nice layer of straw, or actually I got some old hay that got wet. So I'll probably let that dry out and throw it over. Are you going to keep an eye on the bananas? Make sure nothing happens to those bananas, please. You have one job. One job. Protect the bananas.